Hi guys, take a look at this amazing opportunity. This home behind me is not on the market, and it probably will not be on the market because this home is being sold by the builder itself. This is a custom built home with a U-shaped driveway that is sitting on a double lot, 180 feet lot, which is the second largest lot on the street, and it's deep, and the lot is very deep. The backyard is massive. I'll show it for you a little later. Now, I just wanted to share with you that this opportunity is existing right now, and for anyone who is looking to buy a home in an exclusive neighborhood with private entry, with a lot of parking and a lot of space, this is the house for you. And well, you know guys, for this home I haven't prepared the script. I haven't practiced the script, so if I stumble here and there, that's all right. We haven't cleaned this home because I found this potential listing through door knocking, and the house wasn't prepared. Now I'm showing you not to take a look at, oh, it's messy, it hasn't been prepared. No, it's not what I'm gonna show. What I'm gonna show is the type of the finishes that this house has to offer, and that the builder has really invested the time and thought to get it built properly, and every space has been utilized, including the kitchen, the massive countertop, the sink, the built-in cooktop, induction cooktop, and a luxury hood vent that has been installed in here. And the cabinetry itself, everything is soft close, everything is custom built for your best convenience to live and enjoy life in this type of a space. So here you have the kitchen and a massive island and a huge fridge with a lot of pantry space. We have our breakfast area. This is not a dining, this is a breakfast area with a lot of space in the backyard. So you have a lot of sunlight, you have trees in the back, you have a lot of space in the backyard, and a fairly large space for a breakfast area and windows all around you. So let me show that, and then I'll carry on to show you the living room, the dining room, and the remaining space that this house has to offer. It's purely beautiful. This is a loft. The loft that has been built right on top of the garage. It has a full kitchen, full bathroom, 2 closets, and it really can accommodate either a family, a guest house, or a living nanny. So you can use your wildest imagination. It has high ceiling, it has a beautiful view to the front of the house, and it's really nice, warm and cozy. So how did you like it, guys? And I know exactly what you're thinking about this home, as this home requires some upgrades, and absolutely right. The builder who built this home built it based on their own taste, and it has been quite a while ago. The structure is here, the lot is here. The structure is here, the lot is here. It's a double width lot, which basically means that on this lot he could have built 2 homes, and he chose to build 1 home and leave the extra space for you to enjoy. And it has an extra deep lot, so well beyond the trees that you're seeing here. It's a ravine, beautiful, and nature. And with respect to having a luxury home in Newmarket, this street is exclusive. You don't have any traffic other than the cars that are living here, which is amazing for kids. It's amazing for safety, and all the neighbors know each other. So if you have any questions with respect to this home, with the price, with potential closing, with anything else, any improvements, or just a showing, reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange a showing, as this home is not on the market and it's not going to be on the market. This is going to be simply a home that is available for sale for the right buyer only. So if you don't want to buy it yourself and you found this video and you know of somebody else who is planning to buy it, reach out to them, tell them, hey, this house is for sale on the market. This house is for sale, it's not on the market, but it can potentially sell to you for the right price. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to assist you through the showing and through the purchase of this amazing property in the heart of Newmarket with great neighbors and great neighborhood. So I'll talk to you soon. Take care.